lecture, at first we create a new document and draw different type of shapes. To create a new document, simply hit on new and then type your width and height. This time I type width 10,000 pixels and set height 10,000 pixels. Alright, now I simply hit on create. Alright, now let's create different type of shapes. Now from the left side, I just simply click and hold on this icon and select pen tool. And then simply draw a line. And then from stroke, I just simply set this line width from 1 pixel to 10 pixels. Now to duplicate this line, simply select this line and then holding Alt, drag it to the right or down. Just place it anywhere you want. I just simply set it here and then select the second line and increase the width of this line. This time I set it in 30 pixels. Alright, now just simply select these two lines and click on this blend tool and then click on this point of this line and click the point of the second line. Alright, now simply double click on this blend tool and change spacing from smooth color to specified steps. And now I enable this preview and change this value from 1 to 30. Now I just increase the value of this, set it in 50 and hit on OK. Now to create wave shape, I just simply select this pen tool and draw a line like this and set width of this line 30 and select this pen tool again and then draw another line, and this time I set this line width in 15 pixels. Alright, now I select this line and go to Effect, Distort and Transform and select Zigzag. Check this preview and increase the value of this size. And change this value from points to smooth. Alright, now I hit on OK and remember that you set the size in 91 pixels and radius per segment in 11. Alright, and then select this line, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, choose Zigzag, and points I change the value from corner to smooth and set size in 91 pixels and radius per segment I set it in 11. Now from the left side I select this blend tool again and click on this point of this line, curve actually. Now I select these two curved lines and then select the blend tool and select the point of this curve and select on this point. Alright, now I double click on this blend tool and change this value from smooth color to specified steps and change the value from 3 to 30. Let's see the preview. I just changed this value and set it in 25. Now this one seems to me perfect. Now I hit on OK. Now let's create another type of shape. This time I click and hold on this icon and select ellipse tool, and then I just simply holding shift, I just draw a circle like this. Now I just move it here And now select this ellipse tool again. Now I zoom this document a little bit more and then draw a little circle in middle. Now I select this big circle and change this width from 30 to 10 pixels. Now I simply select these two circles and select this blend tool and select this point and this point. And double click on this and change this spacing and set it in specified steps and check this preview and change the value from 1 to 30. Let's increase this value. Let's type 60. Maybe 45 is good. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now I zoom out this document and fit it in this screen. And then let's create another type of shape. This time I select pen tool. Now I just simply draw a line like this. And then holding Alt, I just copy this line and change this width from 10 to 30 pixels. Also change this first line width from 10 to 30 pixels. Now in middle, I just draw another line and set this width in just 5 pixels. Alright, now select this first vertical line and go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag and set it in Smooth and increase the size and set this radius per segment value in 25. Alright, now I hit on OK. Let's select this vertical line, go to Effect, Distort and Transform, Zigzag, set value same like the previous one and choose the middle line, and in the same way go to Zigzag and set point in Smooth and hit on OK. Now select these three lines, click on this blend tool and simply select these points and then double click on it and change this value from smooth color to specified steps and change this value from 3 to 30. Let's set this in 60. Our shapes are ready. In our next lecture, we will create a new document and put some text and use the clipping mask.